This time I'm gonna cut him right down the middle.
Just make sure you don't damage the heart.
I have no clue what the fuck's going on. But I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you two are bad guys. The kind that mean business. Love me some baddies. Can't get enough. You know why that is? No one gives a shit when I carve them up.
Don't often get to kill my enemies twice in a row.
We shooting him?
Keep your aim on his heart and his arms.
Piss off! That's wide!
No! That really hurts. What the hell? When did I even get cut? Hey! Can opener! This jerk's one of your bad guy buddies, yeah?
That observation have a point.
Well, if you move 1 millimeter from there, your buddy will lose his head, and there'll be a special on ground beef!
You're such a piece of shit.
Yeah, that's right. Sit your dumb ass down. Where'd he... Huh?